Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone slow issue after iOS 17 update. So how to fix iPhone is slow working on your iOS 17 after update. So I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have free up iPhone storage. So you have open the setting, scroll up, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on iPhone storage, then your iPhone storage is fully. Then you have must be at least then you have not used app or photos or videos, then you have delete from your iPhone, and then you have free app space are available on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have update your app on device. So then you have again open the you have open the app store, then you have see from here. So then you have uh, see the app store ID. So then update from here, all app update all. So then your problem will be fixed. If third solution, you have turn off background app refresh. So then you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, then you have click on background app refresh. So click on background app refresh, then you have turn off. I have already turned off, then you have must be turned off. Then other solution, you have enable reduce motion. So then you have click on accessibility, and then you have click on motion, then you have click on reduce motion is enabled from here. Then other solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears up logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. If there are fifth solution is not working, there sixth solution, you have delete unused app. You can enable the offload feature. Then you have not used app on your iPhone, then you have must be delete uh, from your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Then other solution, you have turned off low power mode. So then you have again open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on battery, and then you have see on your iPhone screen, then low power mode is turned off already. So then you have must be turned off. Then other solution, you have turn on dark mode. So then again open the setting and click on this play and brightness, then you have click on dark and then turn on dark mode. And then last solution, you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. Then you have again open the setting and click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So then you must be download on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.